what I needed. Just what I needed.
Hello everyone, it's me Ivan, 8-year-old boy. Today I'll show you how to make part 16 of Super Mario. Just before we start, save your project as a new copy and yeah, let's start. Is it part 16? Before we start, let's ensure in our enemy sprite we have like the piranha sprite costume. It should be on costume 9, yeah. But if you want to replace it, but I'll show you. Maybe I like the Venus flytrap some episode, because like Venus fire trap. I mean, I'm not gonna show you how to make it like shoot fireballs, but it's like similar to piranha plant. But you see now, the piranha plant should go in like the. I'm just gonna show you in the level 5 if it's good enough so I can test. Here, like it should like be in one of those pipes. We add auto ranging to it if you like. Oops. Yeah, it's basically like these small pipes, and inside it should be like these. Press 9 and you just see this tall. Oh yeah, we didn't even add it. Like first, go into the tile, go into the editor sprite, and yeah, edit the tile key map. And but first things first, drag the first costume of the piranha sprite into the tile sprite. Now the tile sprite costume 68 should be 9. Now if you just hide the tile key map list, and yeah, now if you just go, to be honest, I'll just play through my level to show you like what have I done so far with whatever this level is. Now these should be our pipes. But now if we keep pressing 9, yeah, here, just skipped it. Then you should see like our piranha plus shows, but you can't like place it in the center of a block or something. Like it's also like a bit down also. So before we can do anything in the tile sprite, like the piranha we edit, like if it's centered, yeah, move like right 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and move up 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's almost done if it works. Oh. Let's see if it works if I just go to that place. Now if I rise 9. Wait. Oh yeah, I didn't even edit properly. Save properly, so unfortunate. Oh, is it like 8? I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. Now, yeah. Now, if we press 9, yep, the piranha plant should be like this. Now you can like click with this and nothing. So yeah, We need to add the code so that it does that. Go into the enemy sprite and find the define or spawn type and put a if at the bottom, checking if type equals 68. And then set type to piranha on, I don't know how to spell it. I'm just gonna get it from here. Piranha. And set costume to what's the the height should be 32, yeah, and the costume should be piranha. Costume should be 9. Oops, what's that? And the test. I'm just gonna parkour the way through it since it's like a Mario game. It should be like a parkour. I'm just gonna see how it does. And yes, see. Yep, it's good. But the piranhas just like have a little bit like they're off center. Like if we press E and erase it, you should see our piranha like fits perfectly around here, but it just doesn't move like that. See, this doesn't move. This doesn't like it has to move to center. Even though mouse cursor in the middle, our real sprite didn't move yet. So yeah, let's go down with the X and Y and now like in the space in the enemy start drag out a when it starts a clone. If checking if type equals piranha. Then oh yeah, change X by 16. I'll just change X by 16. And now I need to place a piranha here so I can test this. No enemies. I'm gonna remove the local edit. Yep, it's good. It's looking good. We still have to. It's looking good right now. Yep, all looking good. Well, we have to like do like the make it go up and down and kill Mario and those things and the animation. So yeah, let's get started on these now. Put it if checking in the if type is piranha. Checking if editors less than what. I mean greater than 0, not less than 1. Then change y. Oh yeah, less than 1 now. Change y by -16. And then go to back layer, go forward by background, layers of background. Yeah, like that. Now let's make the custom block for every mob and oh god. Did it say? Please tell me it did. Oh yeah, it did. It thank God. Locate to define one of the same move enemy. And duplicate one of these like the if type equals something and if check if type equals piranha and make a new custom block and name it tick piranha. Run the screen refresh and tick piranha here. And under define tick piranha, gonna find some space. And change frame by 1. set costume to. Now put a plus inside in the set costume and put 9 plus mod 2 floor of frame divided by 4. Now, we haven't been testing for a while, so I'll test now. Even though, see, now you should see like, how do I just get up here and scratch the gun bus over here? Yep, now you should see this Piranha Plant just opening and closing its mouth, and in edit mode everything stops and the piranha pops up. That's good. Now we need to just add the piranha going down and up and killing Mario, like with the Goombas, and maybe later even the Koopas shells. So yeah, let's really get started. Now let's set temp, TMP or TMP, whatever, to mod 18 frame divided by 16. And then checking if floor of frame equals 4.2, I guess. I meant 4. And then change y by 4. 8 for this one, like mod 8, not that. And then duplicate the if and checking if floor frame equals 7. And change it by -4. And now you should see like a. Wait, did I even run the piranha here? Where's my tick piranha? Ew, did I do it right? But yeah, it's basically like this. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's not floor frame, it's floor of TMP. And now locate the define move enemy. Locate the define move when I start the clone. And then change y by -64. So you will hopefully see the piranha opening his mouth and shutting it down. And yep, you see this? Well, like try with your nearest pipe and oops. That's basically it. That's what you are. Like you can't kill. Our last mission to do for this episode is, I bet, losing life when you touch the piranha. So yep, let's get started. Now find the define tick piranha. For the very last change, put an if and checking if TEMP is greater than 4.2. Then put another if inside. If touching Mario, then broadcast Mario lose life. And now the piranhas. I'm just gonna unleash this poor Goomba that's been hiding in here for weeks. Now you get killed by the piranha. Just gonna block it from here. and yeah, this now you can like lay down all sorts like piranha pipes. I had like some pipes down here to the secret room. This one with guarding piranhas. Actually living guarding piranhas. I'm gonna also put some like Goombas here, so it feels like a secret. This place is actually like a secret room area. If you think it is, like all the patrols go here, and yeah, this is basically it. I'll show you like the passage to the secret room. You have to like just jump up here. Oops, how to do it again? It's like a long jump. You have to keep trying, or else you can't just make it. Later when we add more power, so I'll make like tricks and beautiful like star powers to kill all the enemies, fire flower, and all sorts. Like there's also an exit over here, in case you just don't want to get back. You can now, like, any level you can take these pipes, like, most of the pipes you should be able to add, like, these cycles. I'll go to level 3, yep, level 3, 4. There are any pipes in this level? Not sure, but I'm gonna add some. You don't need to put these on the pipe. We never did any check for these on the pipe, so you can just add it in these, like, grasslands. Traps, secret traps where there's like no Goomba patrols anywhere. Yeah, that's basically all the fun you can have with these piranha plants. But I bet everyone will know that piranha is not gonna be in a 1 block space, so they will try to avoid the 2 block spaces that these piranhas have. I can like make another secret area for this place. As you now see, the piranha like popping up everywhere. It's like this place was like haunted or something, some kind of sorts. Like I'm not even sure where the piranhas are now. Right now, as soon as they pop out, just jump scare me. They just literally jump spam me. It's like very nice to see these plants in the game right now. Like avoid. Oops, this plant is ew. Lots of trap areas. Well, it's gonna look. Well, this is another end of the tutorial. If you enjoy it, please like and smash the subscribe button and click the like button to more, and turn on the notification button to view more your teaching videos. Bye. See you next time.